Welcome. In this video, I'm going to quickly show how to put these two different bird puzzles together. This is the easier one that we build. There's always a key that slides out. These two pieces work as a pair, and these two pieces work as a pair. So you can scramble them up, mix them up, but the easiest way to build this one is I take those two, I slide the E piece through the middle, I drop these two down into there, and the key slides through the middle. If one of the pieces doesn't fit, if it doesn't interlock, you need to figure out what hasn't been cut to the correct depth or width. So this is the harder puzzle. Here's the key. This one's a little bit harder to put together, and it can be put together differently depending on which order you put these together. So these two pieces are symmetrical. So when you cut them, it needs to be like that. They need to be physical opposites of each other. So the way that I usually start this is I take that piece that looks kind of like an Easter Island head to me, I don't know, and then I slide one of these pieces into there so that it fits together just like that. My next step is to take either of these. So you can build it with this piece over here, or you can build it with this piece over here. It doesn't matter. What I'm looking to do is take this 2 centimeter long chunk and put it at the back of the puzzle. So you're looking at it from the front. The other piece, the other symmetrical piece, slides in that front section. And remember, what we're always looking to do is to maintain that square hole for the key. So that's the last piece that goes on. You're looking at it from what's usually the front. This piece slides on the right. If you changed the symmetrical pieces, it would go on the left, and then the key slides into the middle. Hopefully that stayed in focus. Hopefully you could hear my instructions. We'll see how it goes.